Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. This is a series of short videos in which I demonstrate my essential garden tools, and this blue thing here is my sack truck. And of course the hope here is that you might click through to my Amazon storefront and buy something from my Amazon shop. That will result in a small commission to me, and all my commissions get reinvested into my gardening project, which makes my YouTube channel more sustainable. So I do appreciate your support. This is a sack truck. I use it all the time. It makes moving heavy objects really easy. I mean, look at that huge olive jar just moving there. If you ever get a puncture on one of these things, it's easy to repair, or you can just buy a new wheel off Amazon too. I'll put the link to that in my Amazon storefront. So go over to my Amazon storefront if you don't mind and have a look at my selection of tools. And if you can find your way to doing so, please do. Buy something, and your support is greatly appreciated. You don't have to buy a gardening product. Anything you purchase in that shopping session will result in a commission to me. And once again, I really do appreciate your support. I'll see you soon for some more gardening tool adventures. Bye for now. Look at that.